The karmic effects of adultery, consequences beyond the physical realm. Have you ever considered how your actions ripple through time, shaping not only your present but also your spiritual destiny? Adultery, often viewed through societal and moral lenses, carries profound karmic repercussions, deeply rooted in the philosophy of Indian thought. Understanding these effects may illuminate paths toward healing, redemption, and balance. In Indian philosophy, karma represents the law of cause and effect, emphasizing that every action, thought, or intention generates energy that influences future outcomes. Adultery disrupts not just human relationships but also the energetic balance of the individuals involved, leading to complex consequences. The intriguing premise: adultery and energetic imbalance. Adultery involves breaking trust and violating commitments, actions that generate negative karmic imprints. These imprints may manifest as emotional distress, relationship instability, or even challenges in future lifetimes. Ancient Indian scriptures like the Bhagavad Gita highlight the sacredness of dharma, duty, within relationships, emphasizing that dishonoring these duties disturbs not only personal harmony but also the cosmic order. Adultery often arises from unmet desires or perceived deficiencies in relationships. However, indulging in it creates a karmic debt, compelling individuals to face the repercussions of their actions in this life or the next. This is not about punishment but rather about balance and restoration. General concepts: adultery in the context of karma. From a karmic perspective, adultery affects multiple layers of existence. Personal karma: it breeds guilt, regret, and emotional turmoil, creating energetic blocks that hinder spiritual progress. Relational karma: the betrayal erodes trust, not only in the immediate relationship but also in future connections, leading to recurring patterns of mistrust and discord. Societal karma: infidelity impacts families and communities, perpetuating cycles of pain and misunderstanding across generations. Specific implications: spiritual and emotional fallout. Adultery can trigger spiritual stagnation. By breaking commitments, individuals create samskaras, mental impressions, that can lead to repetitive cycles of suffering. Healing from this requires acknowledgement, repentance, and active efforts to mend the harm caused. Practices like meditation, mantra recitation, and engaging in seva, selfless service, can help dissolve negative karmic imprints. Interestingly, Indian philosophy also offers pathways to transcend these consequences. Through genuine atonement and the pursuit of self-awareness, one can realign with dharma and restore harmony in their karmic journey. Practical advice for realigning your karma. Self-reflection. Understand the motivations behind your actions and take responsibility for their consequences. Rebuilding trust. Engage in honest communication and consistent efforts to repair relationships. Spiritual practices. Incorporate mindfulness, meditation, and yoga to cleanse your energy and align with higher values. Seek guidance. Consult a spiritual mentor or counselor to navigate the emotional and karmic complexities. Have you ever wondered how your current relationships might echo actions from your past or influence your future spiritual journey? Share your thoughts and let's explore these ideas together. Visit our blog at pcweb.info to delve deeper into this fascinating topic and uncover more insights about relationships, karma, and Indian philosophy. Don't forget to check the link in the description for additional resources.